So hello everyone, we are back again with our latest video on SQL tutorial ABCacho by ABCacho groups. So basically in this particular video, we are going to discuss a very important and most frequently asked question that is based on SQL join. So basically the question is like they will provide you these two tables and ask you about the outputs of these particular table when we do a join on these tables. So this is a most frequent asked question, and for answering this particular question you need to know each and every portion of join and how they are working in SQL Server. Now move on to the next slide and check. So basically the interviewer will ask you the question like what will be the output and how many number of rows you will get when you do perform a inner join on top of these two table. You will perform left join on top of these two table, and similarly right join, full join, cross join and self join. So for knowing this you need to know the SQL joins very much in depth and how they are working, that you need to know full clearly, that we are going to discuss in this particular video. So first of all, check how the joins are working in SQL Server. So basically as we all know, the inner join will provide us the common record between both tables. Left join will provide you the common record both the tables and the records from the left table, and the right join will provide all the common records from both the tables and the remaining data from the right table, and the full join will provide you result from both the tables complete record and also the common records between both of the tables, and cross join will perform a Cartesian product on top of both the tables. Now for understanding this, I have created one Excel sheet so that we will check how it is going to join each of them. So first of all, this is our left table and this is our right table. So when we are going to perform an inner join, so what will it do? So each record from the left table will go and check each record of the right table, and if both are common then they will provide a output for that, otherwise they will provide 0. So first of all move with 1. So 1 will check with 4, so it is not matching, then it will provide 0. Okay, then 1 will go and check with 1, so it is matching, then it will provide 1. So similarly 1 for 0, no match, 0. So 1 for 7, no match, 0. And then 1 for 3, no match, 0. Okay, and then 1 for 2, no match, 0. Okay, similarly the next record from the left table will go and check for each record in the right table. So 0 for 4, no match, 0. So 0 for 1, no match, 0. And 0 to 0 matching, so it will provide you the output 1. And then 0 to 7, no record, 0. So 0 to 3, no match, 0. And similarly 0 to 2, no match, 0. Then again the third record from the left table will go and check for each of the record in the right table. So 2 here it is 0, then 1 it is 0, then 0 it is 0, 7 it is 0, 3 it is 0, 2 it will provide 1. And similarly 3 will go and check each record. So here for 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 3 it will provide 1. Okay, and then 2 it will be 0. So again the 3 is there, then it will go and check. So for all it will be 0, and for 3 it will be 1. Okay, so here it will provide 1, and then for 2 it will be 0. Then 4 will go and check. So 4 is matching with 4. Then here it will provide record 1, and then 4 will go with 1. Then 0, 4 to 0, 0, 4 to 7, 0, 4 to 3, 0, 4 to 2, 0. And similarly 5 will go and check. So 5 is not available in the right table. So for all of them it will provide 0, 0, 0. Okay. And then what is the thing? Now you need to count each of the record. How many output you get? So from here, one output we get, so 1. And then from here 0 to 1 output we get, so 1. And for 2 we get 1 output, then 1. For 3 we get 1 output, then 1. Then again for 3 we get 1 output, then 1. And then for 4 we get 1 output, then 1. And for 5 we didn't get any output, so 0. Now count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when left table will join with this right table, in case of inner join the output will be 6. Okay, so now move on to SSMS and check the working, if it is working similarly or not. Okay, so we have already created these two tables in our SQL interview question database. So expand this, and we have table 1. So select top 1000 record. Then we have the table 2. So table 1, 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. And then table 2. So we have the same record 4, 1, 0, 7, 3, 2. Now we need to perform joins on top of these tables. So select star from select from table 1 as a alias, provide the alias as a. Now do a join. So inner join will act same as join. Now table 2 as b on a dot id equals to b dot id, and here we want the record like star, we can check. Okay, so select star from table 1 inner join table 2. Now execute this. So see, here we are getting 6 rows. Okay, 4 4 1 1 0 0 3 3 3 3 and 2 2. Okay, so we are clear for the inner join, and now move on to the next one. So next we have the left join. So for left join, how it will perform? It will go, the left table will go and check each record from the right table, and then once all are matched, all the join, it will perform first the inner join, and after performing the inner join, all the remaining records, it will from the left table, it will add up in the result. So for inner join, how many records we find? So for inner join, it will be 6. Like from here we will get one record. For 4 we will get one record. For 1 we will get one record here, and for 0 we will get one record here. For 2 we will get one record here. For 3 we will get one record here and one record here, and then for 5 we get 0 record. So 5 is the one which is not matching with any of them. So 6 plus 1, 7 record in total it will provide us. Okay, so basically what it is doing, it is performing the inner join first, and then it is extracting all the not matching record from the left table and providing the output. So now go to SSMS and perform the left join. Okay, copy the same query, and then in place of join we will mention left join. Okay, left join. Okay, now execute this and check how many rows are coming. So basically we are getting 7 rows. Okay, and these are the 7 rows, and this 5 is not matching, so it is providing null for the right table. Okay, so left join is also clear. Now similarly move on and check for right join, what will be the input output. So for right join also, it will perform first the inner join, and then it will provide all the unmatching rows from the right table this time. Okay, so here we are getting 6 record for the inner join, and then which record is not matching in right table? So it is 7. Okay, 7 has no matching record, so it will provide plus 1 record, which is equals to 7. So output for right join will also be 7. So here it is providing 1 record. For 4, for 1 it is providing 1 record. For 0 it will be providing 1 record. For 2 it will provide 1 record here, and for 3 it will provide 1 record here. Again for 3 it will provide 1 record, and for 5 it will provide 0 record. Okay, and then 7 is not matching with any of them. Okay, so plus 1, so total 7 rows you will get. Now go to SSMS and perform right join also. So this is how the join are basically performing in SQL Server or any relational database, you can say. So right join, so all the matching rows from each of the table, and the rows which are not matching in the right table. Okay, so here you can see 7 is not matching with any of the record in the left table, so for this null value is there, and then all the records other than that are for inner join. Okay, and total 7 rows we are getting. Now move on to the Excel sheet and check for full join case. So for full join case, what it will do, it will first perform the inner join, and then it will provide all the non-matching rows from left table and all the non-matching rows from the right table. Okay, so basically how many records which are not matching from the left table? So it is 1. So 5 is not matching, so plus 1, and then again from right table it will check, so 7 is not matching with anyone, so plus 1. So total output will be 6 plus 2, 8 rows will be our output for full join. Okay, so similarly here for 4 we will get one record here, for 1 we will get one record here, for 0 we will get one record here, and for 2 we will get one record here. Okay, and for 3 we will get one record here, for 3 one record here, and then 4 one record here, and 5 is not matching with any of them, and 7 is not matching with any of them. So 6 plus 2 records, so 8 record. Now go to SSMS and check the output for full join. Okay, copy the same query and perform full join this time. So instead of right join we will perform full join. full join. Okay, execute this and check what will be our output. So see, here we are getting 8 rows as our output. Okay, so 5 is not matching with anyone from the right table, so null here, and 7 is not matching with any record from the left table, so null here. Okay, so this is clear, and all other records are from the inner join. Okay, so this is clear to everyone. Now move on to the next one. Next we have the cross join. So basically cross join, what it will do, it will perform a Cartesian product, means it will join with each record from left table to right table, and each record from right table to left table. Okay, so basically it is going to perform a Cartesian product. So how many rows you have in left table will be multiplied with number of rows in the right table. Okay, so here what, how many records we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 records in the left table, so 7. And here what, how many records we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. No, 2 to 4 to 6 into 6. Okay, so 7 into 6, our output will be 7 6 yeah 42. Okay, now move on to SSMS and check what it is giving in case of cross join. So basically cross join is the join that doesn't require any on condition. So that is also an interview question, which join doesn't require on condition to be applied. So that is a cross join. Basically why? Because all the record from the left table is going to join with the all the records from the right table, so we don't need any condition to be applied here. So cross, okay, cross join, CROSS, cross join table 1, cross join table 2, and we need to move this on condition. So see, here we are not providing any condition on which they are going to join, because each record from the first table left table is going to join with each record from the right table, so no condition is needed here. Now execute this and we will get 42 records as our output. So see here, 42 rows as our output. So see here, each record from the left table, one is first joining with, each record is joining with first 4, which is a right table record, and then again each record from the left table is joining with 1. Okay, and similarly 2 and 3. So you can see the output here. Make it large little bit so that you will, the records will be visible. So see here, all records from the left table are first joining with first record 4 with all 4 with the right table, and all records from the left table is joining with 1 from right table, and then again similarly all records from the right left table is joining with 0 from right table, and then all records from the left table joining with 7 from right table, and similarly for 3 and 2 also. Okay, so cross join is also clear. Now one join we have, which is the self join. So basically self join is nothing. Self join is the join if we perform a join on top of a same table. Like if table 1 is going to join with table 1, then that scenario is called the self join, if a table is joining with itself. Okay, so now here how it will work. So basically it is going to perform a inner join between the left table and left table itself, means table 1 and table 1 itself. Okay, so we have all the records from table 1, and then we have all the records from table 1. Okay, so how the output will come. So each record from the left table, now here we consider one record as the left table and one record as the right table. So each record from the left table will go and join with each record from the right table. Okay, so here 1 1 output will be 1 1 0 0 1 2 0 1 3 0 1 3 0 1 4 0 1 5 0. Now 0 0 will go, 0 will go, so 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and 0 2 0 0 3 0 0 3 0 0 4 0 0 5 0. Okay, similarly 2 will go, so 0 0 2 2 1, then 0 0 0 0. Okay, now similarly 3 will go. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 1 for 3 3 3 1, and then again here 1, and then here 0, and then 0. So similarly for this 3 also 0 0 0 1 1 0 0, and then here 4 0 0 0 0 0, then for 4 4 1, and then 0, sorry, and then 5 0 0 0 0 0 0, and then for 5 5 1. Okay, now what will be our output? So here we have 1. Okay, now then again for 0 we have 1. Okay, then for 2 we have 1 record, then for 3 we have 2 records. Okay, so 2, then for again for a second 3 we have 2 records. Okay, then for 4 we have 1 record, and then for 5 we have 1 record. Now sum it up: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So total output will be 9 records. Now move on to SSMS and try to join table 1 with table 1, so that it will be called as self join. Okay, so select star from table 1 and provide a alias like a join, so it will perform an inner join table 1 and alias it as b on a dot id equals to b dot id. So this particular expression is called the self join, when a table is joining with itself. Okay, now execute this and see, here we got 9 rows as our output. Okay, so I think this is clear to everyone, and by using this particular technique you can be able to answer this very important question. And this is almost each of the interview on even it is from data engineering, SQL Server developer, database developer, each of the profile will require this particular question to be asked, must ask. Means I have given hundreds of interview till now, almost each of the interview I got this particular question. And thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and many more videos are coming on the way. And we are also planning to make a master series on SQL Server tutorial, which is going to be released once we reach the milestone of 500 subscribers, so that more and more people will be beneficial from that particular series. And if you need any help, so you can contact us also. And do comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Thank you.